Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to stop NordVPN pop-up notifications. If the constant connection alerts are starting to feel distracting, this will help you turn them off in just a moment. Start by opening the NordVPN app. If it's not already on your desktop or pinned, you can find it in your Applications folder and launch it from there. Once the app is open, look at the left panel. At the bottom, you'll see a small gear icon. Click it to open the Settings menu. Inside Settings, select the section labeled General. This is where you'll find the main interface and behavior options, including notification settings. Now look for the option called Show VPN Connection Status Notifications. These are the pop-ups that appear whenever the VPN connects or disconnects. To disable them, simply toggle the switch off. With that one change, the connection status pop-ups will no longer appear. If you ever want those notifications back, you can return to this same setting and toggle it on again. And that's it. You now have a cleaner, interruption-free experience with NordVPN. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore the other settings to customize the app exactly the way you like.